How to change your Spotify username. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to change your Spotify username. First, make sure your Spotify is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account. Then click on your profile located on top left corner of your screen. Then this kind of screen will pop up. Click on View Profile. Then click on Edit. Then this kind of screen will pop up with your name. Click on that, remove, and add your new username. Then save it. As you can see, your username has been changed. And that's how you change your Spotify username. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.